Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So for today, I wanted to kind of try to recreate some hairstyles that I found on Pinterest that claim to be easy. And to be quite honest, I usually go for an easy messy bun or even a low ponytail, and if I do have my hair down, it's usually curled or just straightened. Very simple. So I'm actually excited to try these hairstyles. So if you are a beginner or you don't usually do your hair, maybe these hairstyles will work for you as well. So if you're interested in seeing me potentially fail in this tutorial, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first hairstyle that I have is very simple. Okay, you guys, so that was hairstyle number 1. Okay, you guys, so that was hairstyle number 2. Okay, you guys, so that is hairstyle number 3. Okay, you guys, so that was hairstyle number 4. Okay, you guys, so that was Hairstyle number 5. Okay, you guys, so my final thoughts on the Pinterest hairstyles that I tried to recreate today was, number 1, the thing that I searched for was for thin hair. So I wanted to make sure these hairstyles were for my kind of hair, and from what I had read on Pinterest, they were. For me, I think it was a little bit difficult. I mean, the first 2 hairstyles that I did were pretty easy. The only thing I noticed was that since my hair is really thin, my hair didn't look like the hair that I saw on the photo, even though I tried to kind of tease it. But I did think they were still really cute hairstyles. I probably will be using them. So I guess if I had to pick a favorite out of all of the hairstyles, I would probably pick the low bun with the braid around it. I think that was the easiest to create and the one that looked the best. But I really enjoyed this video. I liked recreating these hairstyles. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I know everybody's saying the same thing, but I really hope everybody's staying safe out there, making sure to wash your hands and keep your distance, and let's just work together. That way we get through this. And really quick, I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who have subscribed to my channel. I know we have just recently reached 150 subscribers, so that makes my heart really happy, and it just gives me more motivation to continue to bring you guys content. So if you have any suggestions of anything you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, we'll go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye!